Welcome to Yellow TV, where we explore nature's most terrifying disasters. Fasten your seatbelt and let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the crazy moments. When a tsunami turns your peaceful harbor into a wild river ride, Miyako's boats weren't ready for this adventure. South Africa's tornado gave the landscape a quick makeover, trees down, roofs flying. Mother Nature's interior design skills are on full display. Hold on to your hats, it's a windy day in the neighborhood. When mosquitoes decide to throw a tornado party, Nicaragua's got the wildest bug twist ever. Who knew mosquitoes could make such an entrance? That wave is about to swallow the ship like it's the main course. If your heart's racing just watching, drop a comment on number 1 below. You're definitely not alone. It's like the ocean decided to show off its wild side, and this ship is along for the craziest roller coaster ride ever. Hold on tight, because Mother Nature isn't playing around today. Whoa, look at that. A flame burning endlessly, no matches or fuel needed, just pure natural gas from the rocks. It's like nature's built-in campfire. All you need now are some marshmallows for the ultimate outdoor experience. These cars thought they were parked, but the flood had other plans, turning the streets into a bumper car ride. Who knew nature could drive? Whoa, looks like Saudi Arabia just got hit with a massive sandstorm straight out of an action movie. That wall of dust is rolling in like it's got somewhere important to be. If you're caught in this, better buckle up. It's going to be a wild, dusty ride. Not just a dust storm. In India faced a full-on weather attack with rain and powerful winds. Mother Nature really pulled out all the stops. Winter wonderland? Nope, just a hailstorm giving summer the cold shoulder. That car's in for a bumpy ride. Hope it's got hail insurance. Nature's idea of a surprise party with ice instead of confetti. Cruising through Japan like it's a normal day, then bam, earthquake says, time to shake, rattle, and roll. Even the GPS was like, recalculating. Did the road just move? The earth decided to throw a dance party. Everything shook like crazy. But when the dog caught on, it wasn't having any of it, barking up a storm as if to say, "Who turned on the shake mode?" When your backyard pool upgrade goes a little too deep. You ask for a house with a river view, but Mother Nature decides to bring the river into your living room. Talk about a waterfront property with a twist. Looks like the mountain had some renovation plans for the highway. Best to steer clear when nature's doing some heavy lifting. Florida's beach got an electrifying light show. Just a reminder that Mother Nature doesn't need fireworks to put on a dazzling display. Volcano and lightning, nature's ultimate power combo. If you come across a school of fish swarming the area, take a moment to admire the scene, but be smart and stay away from the water because fish don't leap onto the shore without a good reason. This emperor penguin is so excited about his fresh new feathers that he just can't stand still. Someone's feeling extra dapper today. This Russian tornado is definitely not messing around. Mother Nature decided to take a quick spin through the countryside. Flying over Greece and seeing a wildfire like this from the window, that's one hot view, but not exactly the in-flight entertainment you'd hope for. When the forest turns up the heat, it's time to get out fast. This wildfire is no joke, nature's way of reminding us who's boss.